Hi guys, ManiacStore.com is back again with the unboxing video of the Micromax A90S Superfone Pixel. We are the first one to do the unboxing video of the Micromax A90S as promised to all you people in the last video. Looking at the fan following, comments, reviews on YouTube by all the users who have watched our previous video, we have tried to make things better this time. We have tried to make the video and the unboxing, the camera angles. We have also changed the cameraman. So this time hope you guys like this. Now as you can see, this is the Micromax A90S Superfone Pixel. This comes with a 1 GHz dual core processor, Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. It has a 8 megapixel camera with flash and a 0.3 megapixel front camera, expandable memory up to 32 GB, has an inbuilt GPS and a Bluetooth connectivity of 4.0. Micromax says that this comes with a 1600 mAh battery and claims a talk time of 5 hours and a standby of 174 hours. So here I am going to start the unboxing for all you guys. Now this is the Micromax A90S Superfone Pixel. Now we'll show you the box contents of the Micromax A90S. This is the standard stereo hands-free. This is the USB charge sync cable. We have the standard Micromax charger. And we have the battery, that is 1600 mAh. We have a user guide by Micromax. Standard warranty statement. Charger, battery, data cable. This is the same hands-free that is given with the Micromax A110 Canvas 2. It's in-ear. No volume button. Yes, this time Micromax has given the gold-plated hands-free. 1600 mAh. This was all for today, and we'll be back soon and very soon with the benchmark test, which we did not do last time for the Micromax A110 for some reasons, but we promise to give you the best benchmark and the hands-on and the display user interface for the Micromax A90S this time. Thank you guys, thank you so much.